Hi everyone, my name is Dayron Ooi Chen Wei. My student ID is 0204234 and I'm the group leader for Group 1. So our group has decided to talk about the awareness of food wastage in Malaysia. Why is that so? It's because food wastage is a problem not only in Malaysia but all over the world. So what we're trying to do is educate people on how to minimize food wastage and ultimately stop food wastage in Malaysia.
Hi, my name is Jasmine Peh. My student ID number is 0204427 and I'm a DPCT student and I'm turning 19 this year. First of all, I am in charge of writing the executive summary for this group proposal. So this means that I will be writing down a brief summary on how we will be planning out our theme for this proposal, how we brainstorm main points, and basically how we work together as a team to make our plan into a reality.
I'm in charge of doing the introduction for this proposal, and since I'm the leader, it's also my responsibility to equally distribute the roles to everybody in my group. And then I also set deadlines for all my group members to follow so that everyone can pass it on time, we can edit it on time, and everything will run smoothly. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Foo Gim Chern. My student number is 0204684. In this group assignment, I am responsible for doing and listing the goals and objectives and also vision and mission. And also I am responsible in doing the timeline. So I created a Gantt chart and I listed out each task that we're going to do and the date. So each task will be planned and doing accordingly to the Gantt chart.
My name is Ling. My student ID is 02044453. I'm in charge in chapter 2.2, which is the proposed activity. For the proposed activity, I have to think the ways to reduce and raise the awareness of food wastage in Malaysia. After discussing with my group member, I have come up with 3 ways which I think it will more efficient to reduce the food waste. The first one is we are going to open an Instagram account to make some posts about the knowledge of food waste and make some quiz and poll in our Instagram story. It will help us to know better about the awareness of Malaysia. And the second way is we are going to record a video to teach people on how to use the food waste, like use the skin of ingredient to make a stock and use the food waste to do the food compost, like use the food waste to plant some spring onion or shallot. It will be more efficient because it will use most of the food waste. And the last is we are going to record another video in all of our group members will participate in it. We will talk more about what is the food waste and we are going to say about the importance of food waste, the impact of reduce the food waste and the factor which cause the food waste. And this is what I have think about of our proposed activity. Thank you.
My name is Puah Zhen Nan. My student number is 0204555. My part is project scope. Project scope have several parts like scope description, project deliverables, accession criteria, constraint, and assumption. The content of scope description is what we have to do at the beginning and let others know how food waste comes from and how to reduce food waste. For project deliverables, it's need to create an Instagram account and upload some poster to let other people know the benefit of reduced food waste. The content of exception criteria is just need to record a video how to reduce food waste and how the food waste come. For constraint and assumption, is just need to let the viewer know the benefit of reduced food waste.
I'm also responsible in the budgeting. Our budgeting item will be used on our next video that we will teach people and film a video about how to reduce food wastage. And for the budgeting item, some of the items we have it at home, some we don't have, so we need money to buy it. So our total budgeting item price would be around 25-50 ringgit. The price is quite okay.
Okay, hi everybody. My name is Leonard Siah Heng and I'm from DIHM April Intake 2019. This will be my fifth semester and next semester will be my internship. Alright. And in this group, I will be in charge of video editing and also I will be the content creator for our Instagram page. Apart from that, for our group proposal, I will be handling 3.2, which is projected return. Alright. So basically for video editing, what I will do is I combine all the videos, I'll trim the videos, and at the same time, I'll be inserting subtitles so that all of you can watch our videos with more understanding. And at the same time, I'll be doing some basic editing to make the video more presentable and enjoyable for all of you to watch. All right. And apart from that, for Instagram page, as I mentioned earlier, I'll be the content creator. So what I'll do is I'll like design posters relating to food wastage. All right, and I will be asking help from Jasmine to help me post it up. And besides designing posters, I'll be also doing some short videos to attract viewers to visit our page. And at the same time, maybe they will uh, follow our page. And from there, we will able to spread the awareness and people will have more knowledge about this food wastage. So overall, in this project, my role is video editor, content creator, and also in charge of 3.2 projected returns. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hi, it's Jasmine again. So my second task for this group proposal is writing 4.1 and 4.2, which is the job scope and also job distribution. So this means that I am in charge of writing down the roles of each group member in a table and write down the descriptions like the leader, the assistant leader, and video editor also on. And I make sure that the roles of each person in the group will be divided equally, and hopefully everyone has the same equal chance of having their own time to shine and gaining their marks.
Hi, my name is Ong Zee Wei. I am from DPCT and my student ID number is 0204401. I'm also the assistant leader in this group project. For our group proposal, one of the chapters I'm in charge of is Chapter 5. Chapter 5 is the conclusion of the proposal. I've concluded on what has happened in accordance to the makings of our proposal and project planning. The importance of learning about the problem known as food wastage in Malaysia. What the effects of food wastage could lead to, example, emission of greenhouse gases and water pollution. What our project entails, the setbacks faced due to the limitations of MCO, and the goals we wish to achieve from this whole project. Not only that, I am also in charge of Chapter 6. Chapter 6 is the references. I'm in charge of working together with all of my group members to place in-text citation and make a reference list with all the information done correctly using the APA referencing style, which was the requirement of this proposal. I will get the reference source from the members and double check whether paraphrasing was done correctly on their parts to avoid plagiarism by reading the whole source before adding any references into the proposal. As mentioned before, I am the assistant leader, so it is my duty to assist the leader. I not only help to compile the whole proposal by double checking each individual parts for grammar mistakes or checking the quality of the work before it is ready to be submitted, But I also help to lead the entire group alongside with the leader by providing the necessary guidance for each phase of the project. That's all I have to say for this planning stage video. Thank you.